Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment usable. Install JDK 11 or newer and the Android SDK, then export Java Home and Android Home so tools find them. Next, open VS Code and add the Android-related extensions you need. This gives you device integration and Gradle helpers. Once done, make sure the project contains a Gradle wrapper. If not, generate it in Android Studio or run Gradle wrapper. Finally, verify with /gradlu tasks to confirm the build system responds before continuing. You now connect VS Code to the build pipeline. Create simple tasks. JSON entries to call. /gradlu assemble debug and install debug and add a launch. JSON that forwards logcat and starts the app. Make sure an emulator runs or a device appears with a DB devices. Enable USB debugging on the phone so installs succeed. Once done, trigger the build from VS Code. Watching Gradle output helps you catch missing dependencies. If assemble completes, use the install task or a DB install to push the APK and verify that you finish by running and debugging from VS Code. Attach the debugger provided by the Java or Flutter extension. Set breakpoints and step through code to inspect variables. This gives faster iteration than logs alone. If builds fail, clean with /gradlu clean, update Gradle and SDK versions, then rebuild. Version mismatches are the usual culprit. If the device disappears, restart the ADB server and replug USB. And make sure developer mode and USB debugging are enabled on the device before trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.